Hi guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's see the markets. I did this quick trade. Um, and I'm proud of it. It was within the range of 5 minutes. It's hairy, it's counter trend. Year, months, day, everything. Volume is great and it's here, but that was a little wild. So, um, I think it's all it had. This is gonna be good for a swing trade after a test. Ooh. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, so I consider myself lucky. In reality, it's a break. It is a break. Ay, ay, ay. Well, it's right on the border. And if it's right on the border, we see the reaction bar, and reaction bar is down. So if I signed a bit earlier, that would have prevented me from a from a trade. Let's see, 10:30. 10:30 closed here. Oh, what is it really? No, 10:30, so it closed at 11. So 10, 11:25 was the last bar. 11:25. Yes, it did close above. So it's a break. Okay. It's good to know after I had taken this trade. Bum. For forget it then. It's a break. It changed direction. Consider myself lucky. Yeah, so that's it. And yeah, it changed the. So I think it's like daily watch. Why am I still on this guy? Oh yeah. It technically is gonna be good after retest today. No, we cannot trade it on daily. So only something on hour. And on hour we are now in this situation. That could count as a break as well. And then a up thrust. Probably wouldn't be able to identify it in the moment. Because how do I know it's a break? But yeah, that was a bar reversal. Yeah, that was tradable technically. Yeah. And then unvolume top thrust. So yeah, I can do anything. You know, just like this is bold, I think. With this kind of tail, no, no way. Um, no way. I'm out of my Dow Jones. You see, that's the benefit. One benefit of options. It was like hysterical, nervous, and then break even came 1/4% earlier, including the spread and all of that. So it's a good deal. It's a good deal. Wait, spider. Yeah. IWM, it's a mess. IWM is the mess. I should not even like think about it. Wouldn't it be better if it like upthrusted it? But no. But no. Fuse. Fuse. Russian stocks are slipping. That would be interesting, this level. Indeed. Indeed. And it's getting there. It's getting there. Its strength, its weakness, some nice exhaustion volume here. Oof. That'll be nice. DTM. It didn't break me out, so it wouldn't like. I put my position to break even, and it didn't break me even here, so probably wouldn't break me even here either. And let's log it. Let's share it with the world on DTM. I just want it out. Moved my limit order to break even at where's my DTM? 479, I think. It's 479, 479. After it closed above T2 level on daily. Oops, T1. I'm sorry. It's counter trend. Am I looking at the right stock? Yeah, no. T2, what I'm talking about. Never mind. So yeah, that's DTM. And wait, I'm confused. Well, this is gonna break, obviously. It's here now, but of course, it's just ridiculous. And after we broke the sign of strings, maybe I'll have a chance to break even on my short trade before it. Yeah, and it doesn't matter how beautiful it looks on 5 minutes. And it should be like sort of transitioning shroud because it's counter trend and there's no level here. Well, there's still the daily level, but it's so up there. Doesn't make any sense. So yeah. Other than that, of course, it's always like it always looks beautiful in counter trend. And how it wants you to leave your money on the table. Because someone has to. It's gonna be a break in an hour. Ay, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I missed it yesterday. What a beautiful trade it was. And I was there. It just was not ready for it emotionally. And it was, yeah, for them. Anyways, I didn't take it. And now it's a daily matter. Okay. Caterpillar is getting there. Volume distribution is not good. Of course, it's strength and weakness. But look where we are on daily and monthly. Let's see what um it goes down. And that's a 1 bar rule, by the way. But look at it, respected it. But technically that was 1 bar rule. Interesting. Yeah, regardless. We're in this universe now. 11:30. Yeah, to 12:25. Yes, that's the level, really. Like Intel. Boom. I think Caterpillar will follow. JPK. Yeah, and it's at the level, of course, but this is not how it played. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Let's get ridiculous. Remember this guy, Mao? He popped, but I don't think it was sustainable. Yeah, if it stopped there at the transitioning shramum, that might have been something. And yet so high. And now it's past that. Day an hour. Apple unvolumed spring. What can you do when the spring is unvolumed? Absolutely nothing. Oh, what are you another for? Absolutely nothing. Huh. That's an interesting supporting bar, aka reaction bar of this whole shebang. Yeah, it's not good after this volume. And the volume on hour is not the problem, but the no volume on spring is. So technically, yeah, 20.5. Done. Point 0.5 is the thing. Possibly. You know what I mean? I already went too far, I think. And there's the volume and all of that, but nah. Okay, this thing goes lower. By this thing, I mean Intel. So that's Caterpillar. All volume is long. Boom, boom. Yeah, it's just a one massive long volume on this guy. So it comes after Apple. PG. Boom, it gave us a lead. Lead. LID. The, it stopped. The impulse stopped. Well, this is more fair, I think, this level, generally speaking, than this whole Procter and Gamble thing. So it was transition extreme, and then it went up, and then I think we shall keep it as it is. As it is. Unless there was a volume here down here that would confirm the reversal. KDP continues to fall. Why do I have this level? What happened here to begin with? It's transition volume, right? Yeah, it's a transition. I'm sorry, extremum. Transition volume, that's something new. And then it didn't go. It didn't give us. It's one bar rule, so I'm sorry. Ooh. And then it broke the T2 of the old shortwave, so that's what's going on. That's the situation. It's good in continuation of the trend regardless. And RG, it's the middle of nowhere, so we shouldn't be afraid of this tail really. Which means that was a go, probably. Yeah. There's no volume even. Yeah, probably this was a go. Okay. It's something. BHP group. And there is a volume. Where are we? On daily though, we are absolutely. Uh-huh. That would need a transitioning shroud because it's not the biggest volume. There was no exhaustion volume here. And I think the situation persists. There is volume, but it's not the biggest volume, and it broke it down. So um yeah. Uh, Everything pretty much moves as it should. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, it obviously like not obviously, but it looks like it's wanna break and go to 0.5 and therefore reverse. TNA. TNA is just the copy of, don't know why I keep it, of Dow Jones? Dow Jones or double, yeah. There is, yeah. Looks like it wanna break. And that's a break. 0.5 doesn't really matter anymore. So ever since we break, this 0.5 matters. So yeah, at closing the lid. So it's a daily watch. No continuation of the trend anymore for this thing. Um, Alrosa slips. Unwilling spring. It can happen, it's just like I don't touch unvolumed springs. RTS looks like it's gonna break. General dynamics, look at this volume. Don't. Irene, Iran. How do you call it? What do you call it? Mm. Look how this stock looks on hourly. Oh, that was a weekend, but regardless, it's a sad story. There's a balance. And that's like one big expanding balance. Interesting. So we're down here. Yeah, it's just one big balance like this. Interesting. And I won't be able to claim even that it's like short. It's unidirectional, or what do you call without a direction? Non-directional, whatever you call it. Hmm. On volume T1. Um, I won't be able to trade it on daily because there's no context on on monthly. But that was a level, and then it went down, down, up. That's a strong approach. It is a strong approach. Yeah. That's a break, actually. That is an upthrust, so this is the sign of strength here locally. I don't know why I would want to trade it counter trend. But if I decide to, it's right there. That was interesting. Shell went down as it should without me. Rude. It's gonna be broken in an hour, and anyway, we need it to go. We need to look at it short, not long. Oops. Same dealio. Amazon, Amazon looks like it gives us a transitioning show. That's how we say it in Russian. We say ah, we don't say Amazon. No way. No way. Pfizer accumulates big time, consolidates. I don't know what it does, but I don't know what it does, but big time. And it's there. And look, it looks like this big move, and then boom, completely taken down. Interesting. Meta. Uh, it holds by thread, I think. Um, this thing is in 0.5. It's continuation of the trend, nothing on yearly, but in the place on daily. So, and it's continuation of the trend. Mm. I'm not sure about that. But let's see if there's a way to make me sure about that. It's biggest volume. It's a counter trend. So that would need a test on hour. on 5 minute. Yeah. Doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-doo. Yeah, it was right here. Slow liquidity. Yeah, probably I should not have it at all. 50 billion. Just no one trades it. Didn't give us a spring. Like, really? Are you gonna do that to yourself? Bruh. At least it's not super high on on the year. Okay. We got our transition extreme now. Same on Caterpillar. This thing goes higher as it should. Apple. It looks like it's gonna be spring, a volume spring in the 20 minutes. This is like way higher. Let's look at this too, and what they're gonna do in the hour of HP and Valley. Valley, what do you call it? Brazil, Rio de Janeiro. Rio de Janeiro. Continuation of the trend, continuation of the trend. Is something that looks like an exhaustion volume a lot. And, and yeah, then unvolumed um, unvolumed spring, and now we go lower. We are beyond it. We are below it. And we don't see, there is volume, but it's not exhaustion volume. Sorry, I'm hiccuping. Same deal. It's it now doesn't look so gloomy, but it's so choppy. It's all over the place. It's all over the place. Makes my eyes hurt. I like to say it makes my eyes bleed. Uh, what the heck is this? Whatever the heck it is. Um, where is this volume? Down, down, up. Yeah, that was a something that you need to chart the transition from. Um, Not because I don't want to take it, but just because I don't want to take it. Oh, look at this volume. This is not a good volume of good spring. I don't know whatever this is. Oh, it's on the it's not visible on the global layout. Yeah, so there's like too much of a volume in here, I think. And there was definitely no exhaustion volume here. So, so this is what we have. This list is getting large for the last hour. I think we'll have to make some decisions towards the end of the day. And okay, so this is continuation of the trend on Valley. Same on bots. It's continuation of the trend. BHP smart. Okay, okay. Look at all this. It's 0.5. And it's continuation of the trend. Semiconductors, robotics, and artificial intelligence. Now, there is something very similar. Continuation of the trend, continuation of the trend. 0.5. The volume is better. And that's why we need a test. It's a change of direction. It's a very interesting volume. Um, people. Okay. Nvidia. Come on. Yeah, it's like 3 time frame alignment. And what are you gonna do about it? It's indecisive, so high, it can easily go up. But yeah, what can you do about it, really? It expanded to 0.5. But I mean, like, come on. What's wrong with me? Is it some form of perversion to do something like this? And what can you do here? Hmm. Yeah, boom, up, then down, 0.5. And like, no way we should go above. So, no way we should take it like this. It's continuation of... Bro, come on. It is continuation of the trend. What the heck? No, no. Don't even think about it. Just no. Uber. That was a nice drop. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go. You trade responsibly on your own. No one knows anything. Learn and grow in the communities of like-minded people, such as myself.